What's up guys? So yeah, another day and another journal na naman to. So ito yung day 1 natin. So November 1 ngayon. So ngayon yung mag-i-start yung challenge natin sa sarili natin. Hindi natin mag-exercise. Mag-jogging tayo 3 laps sa oval. Then planking and abs. Yun. So November 1 ngayon. And ito yung pinakamasakit na araw na nangyari ngayon sa atin. So anyway, yeah, gamitin nyo yung pain na i-fuel yung sarili nyo, no? Ma-overcome yung sakit na nararamdaman nyo ngayon. So kailangan natin ma-overcome yung pain. Okay, so yeah, so day 1 jogging tayo. And every another day mag-exercise tayo. So yun yung challenge ko sa sarili ko bago matapos ng taon, November and December. Kaya natin magpalakas. So let's go. Kumain tayo. So nagbabawas tayo ngayon ng timbang. And ito yung cardio na gagawin natin ngayon. Woo! Dito nga tayo mag-start. So stretching lang tayo. Then let's get it on.
And please believe I'm a pick it up. Now it don't even matter if I'm busy or what, cause I can't get it up. Got me lost in your love, so forget what they say. Let's know about us now. I love you, all you gotta do is hit me up and be on my
So yun guys, tapos tayo mag-jogging. Na 3 ikot lang tayo. Then sit up, push up. Then 1 minute planking. Ang hirap pala ng planking. So yeah, day 1 done. So bukas rest day naman. Then every another day tayo mag-exercise. Pero tayo baka mamaya ma-overfatigue tayo, especially nagtatrabaho tayo. So yeah, yun lang naman. Thank you for watching. Yeah, thank you sir. And I love you, love. So yeah.